Hello aspirants, welcome to General Studies. Gyanesh Kumar to take over as Chief Election Commissioner on the 19th of February. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi met Monday evening, the 17th of February, to appoint former IAS officer Gyanesh Kumar as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India. Centre replaced CGI with a union minister on the selection panel when the law was passed, giving a dominant role to the union government. Senior Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar would take over as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India (CEC) on the 19th of February. Mr. Kumar, a 1988 batch Kerala cadre officer of the Indian Administrative Services, retired as Secretary in the Ministry of Cooperation on the 31st of January 2024. He was also Parliamentary Affairs Secretary. He took over as an Election Commissioner in March 2024 and his term as CEC will end in January 2029. Mr. Kumar is the first CEC to be appointed under the provisions of the new law, the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, Appointment, Conditions of Service and Term of Office Act. During his tenure, Mr. Kumar will oversee the crucial Bihar Assembly polls later this year. In 2026, he will oversee Assembly polls in Kerala, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. He would also be responsible for conducting the elections for President and Vice President in 2027. Thanks for watching. More updates, please do subscribe and follow my channel.